Hello, everybody. My name is Hanin Al Doy. Welcome to my presentation today. I'll start with the introduction, aim and objective, methodology, literature review, findings and analysis, the psychological dimension framework, conclusion and contribution. Employee engagement is an important process to be embedded in the organizational strategy to ensure sustainable organizational success. It is also contributes to the organizational development. According to Gallup 2023, the region of Middle East and North Africa ranked the second lowest worldwide in employee engagement, while Bahrain ranked the fourth place among this region. The main aim of this study is to explore the psychological traits relationship with employee engagement, focusing on government employees' perspective as a case study in the government of Bahrain. The question is how the government employee perceives employee engagement in the government sector in Bahrain. The methodology is interpretive methodological analysis. It is an approach to in-depth explore a phenomena using a qualitative single case study conducted to a ministry in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The data collected by semi-structured interviews for government employees, and the data are analyzed through thematic analysis. It is a method to interpret into the participants' responses. From the literature review, the psychological characteristics has a direct requirements are needed to enhance and improve engagement in the workplace. Also, the importance of engagement, connection with the emotions and behaviors of employees shows the impact of psychological traits in shaping employee engagement. The theoretical model based on the social exchange theory is the psychological-based theory adopted by Cohen 1990. The feeling of meaningfulness, availability, and safety with the integration with conjunction, physical and emotions enhance employee engagement in the workplace. So the outcomes are four themes. The employee feeling of recognition and appreciation affects engagement. Theme number 2, the employee with more empowerment and authority enhance engagement. Openness to new ideas, opinions, and improve communication between employees are needed for engagement. The feeling of importance in the workplace improve engagement. So the study found that the psychological traits not only affect organizations, but also have direct impact on the employee behavior, attitude, and morale within the organization. The study findings identified the employees' feelings of being important, meaningful, and valued are related to the level of engagement in the workplace. The strength of empowerment is important to enhance the employee ability to take decisions. Communication and contribution in the workplace lead to boost employee feelings of being valued, recognized, and acknowledged for higher engagement and performance. Prioritizing employees within the workplace positively promotes employee engagement, leading to higher personal and organizational performance. So the framework here shows that a psychological dimension extracted from the theoretical models of physical-based model and the social exchange model. There are several elements in the psychological dimension, which are the feeling of belonging, emotions and behaviors, importance of being available, recognition and prioritizing, authorities and responsibilities. These can be implemented in the workplace through acts and practices, such as involvement, ownership, existence, commitment, motivation, recognition, empowerment, in order to ensure sustainable employee engagement. So as a conclusion, employee engagement and psychological traits are strongly connected to each other. ensuring that organizations are prioritizing their employee well-being. The study framework showed the psychological traits are shaping employee engagement, emphasizing key elements to enhance sustainable employee engagement. It is important for organizations to ensure the implementation of engagement to sustain the engagement for better performance and well-being. And to ensure this sustainability, organizations need to enhance engagement processes and practices through the framework suggested in this study. So the contribution, human resources practitioners and leaders in the government organizations need to adapt initiatives to ensure the implementation of engagement to enhance employee well-being and to prioritize employees. On the other hand, government organizations can merge the engagement initiatives within the organizational strategies and values to ensure a positive implementation of, for the organizational productivity and well-being. Thank you.